As before, I've made it easy for you by already adding the sound effects. However, this is the final version of the sound effect, so I suggest you follow along with this step to see how it's done yourself. Head to Slide 2, click the Insert tab, then Audio, and select Audio from my PC. Choose the file you want to add, or simply just drag and drop it into the slide. Once you've added the audio file, there are a few things to consider. First, click on the audio file. Then go to the Playback tab and select Hide During Show. This removes the visible audio icon from the presentation. Next, click Play Across Slides and set it to Start Automatically. This ensures the audio plays as soon as the slide starts. Let's play the slide and see how it all comes together. There's a problem. The 3D models don't play at the same time. This happens because we haven't set the transition to trigger automatically yet. To fix this, head to the Transitions tab, select after 0 seconds, and then unselect On Click. This ensures that everything plays at the same time, creating a smooth and synchronized animation. There's another problem. The audio file is 29 seconds long and will keep playing until it's done. It also has a bit of a delay before starting. We can fix this by trimming the audio. Click on the audio file, go to the Playback tab, and select Trim Audio. Now, cut 2 seconds from the start to remove the delay and set the end to 8 seconds to shorten the clip. This keeps the sound effect crisp and to the point. Let's play the slide and see how it all comes together. Much better. But it's still not perfect. I'd like to fade out the sound effect a little at the end so the audio doesn't suddenly get louder when the plane is off screen. Head back to Slide 2. Click the audio file, go to the Playback tab, and find the Fade Out option. Set the fade out duration to 3 seconds. Let's play the slide and see how it all comes together. Perfect. Now, let's make sure Slide 3 triggers automatically to Slide 4 so everything runs smoothly. Head to the Transitions tab, select after 0 seconds, and then unselect On Click. A final touch would be to give the beard oil a 3D animation when the slide is over. So, go to Slide 4, click on the beard oil, and open the Animations tab. Click Add Animation in the Animations tab. You'll notice that there are a few special animations designed specifically for 3D models, such as Arrive, Turntable, Swing, Jump and Turn, and Leave. I think Jump and Turn makes the most sense, so select it, then head back to Slide 2 and run the presentation again. We forgot to trigger the 3D animation automatically. So, head to the Animations pane, right-click on the animation, and select Start with Previous. Now, go back to Slide 2 and run it one last time to see everything come together. Well done! Now, all that's left is to delete Slide 1, and we're all set. See you in the next module.